Alright. So I have this monoblock plastic table that I use downstairs when it's getting too hot at my home office at the rooftop. It's good for a temporary working space, but my problem with this table is, it is too small. It's only about 20 by 30 inches or probably less, and when I place my laptop, external keyboard and mouse to it, it's getting too crowded and I don't even have a space for my wrist when I'm typing. And I cannot move the laptop and keyboard to the back anymore as I don't want to risk the laptop from falling out of the table, so I make sure that there is enough buffer space at the back. This is just a temporary working space for me, so I don't want to spend a lot of money buying a new bigger table. Luckily, I found this product while browsing in Shopee one day. It's a keyboard tray that you can install to any table that are up to 8 centimeters thick and of course, as long as the length of the keyboard tray clamp fits into the table. And the best part about this product is, it does not require any tools, no holes needed, no drilling needed, no screws nor screwdrivers needed. You just need the table and your bare hands. The 52 centimeters long cost 619 Philippine pesos. While the 65 meter variant is 100 pesos more, at 719. It comes with two colors, the maple or beige like color, and black. I bought 52 centimeter black color for my plastic table, and a 65 centimeter maple color for my daughter's table. Product link is in the video description below. Okay. So here is the package. Sealed with bubble wrap and all. Let's quickly open it. It's a good package. Better than what I was expecting. We have two small boxes inside. And this small box contains the clamp. Along with the sliding mechanism, which I assume is where we'll attach the slab of wood later. The other box of course has the same part, just for the other side. This is for the left side, I think. Then we have the wood panel. We have some railings here on both sides, probably where we'll attach the clamp and sliding mechanism. What I have here is the black 52 centimeter variant, and this is the maple 65 centimeter one. Also have the same railings on both sides. And this is how the maple looks like. A lighter color with wooden pattern. This wood slab is of course just laminated. This is made of the usual wood filings, glued together, then laminated to any design or color they can create. We also have a user manual here. It's both in Chinese and English language and has picture illustrations. So it's easy enough to follow. Alright. Let's assemble this. This is really easy to assemble. What we need to do is just slide in the clamp and sliding mechanism into the railings that is already screwed in the wood. And it's impossible to get this wrong. As you can see here, I am trying to slide the right side clamp into the rail, but it will not fit since the clamp part will not let you slide the thing inside. This clamp part should always be in the outer part of the wood plank. Just slide it in. When you reach the middle part, the sliding part will lock into the railings. And that's it. We're already halfway done in assembling the keyboard rack. When we look at it on its proper orientation, you will see that the clamp is properly placed on the side of the plank. Let's do the other one. Just position the clamp part in the outer side of the plank. Then slide it in. There we go. We're done. No need to any tools, screws, screwdrivers or anything. Just our bare hands. Okay. Time to install this keyboard rack to the table. We first need to widen the gap here in the clamp to make sure that it will fit through the thickness of the table. When you have the proper thickness, you can then just slide in the clamp to the table's edge and then tighten the clamp. For the 65 centimeter long variant, which I will be attaching to my daughter's thinner table, I don't need to open the clamp really wide, just enough for the table's thickness, and I can go ahead and clamp it in. Just make sure that you clamp the keyboard rack to the table really tight so that everything is safe and it will not fall off. Of course, you also need to tighten the other side. Once everything is tight and secured, then you're done. That's it. You can now set up your keyboard to its own tray and free up space in your tiny table. Alright. For my final thoughts on this product. I obviously like it. I even bought two of them. But do note that the rack can get a little wobbly. And that is normal. Even though it is wobbly, it is strong. My daughter and me have been using this for almost 2 months already, and both of us like to rest our hands and arms at the rack, but there's no sign of bending, no loose screws, no deformed parts, nothing. It still looks the same as the first day I installed it. So don't worry about it being wobbly because the sliding mechanism and the whole metal parts are really strong. Of course, I also love the fact that, by just spending a portion of what a table cost, I was able to expand my working space and extend my table. This product is a great space saver. You can just hide the rack when you're not using it and pull it out when you need the keyboard. You can basically convert any table to be a computer table with this product. And the best part, my favorite part of this product actually, is that you don't need any tools to assemble and use it. And not needing to use any tool also means less effort. I mean, even a 10-year-old or a grandma can assemble and use this. They made it really easy for everyone. And just a disclaimer, I am not, in any way, related to the seller or manufacturer of this product. I don't know who they are, and I am not receiving anything for this video. I just really like this product and it helped me a lot. So I just simply want to share this great find to everyone. If you enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up. If it has helped you in any way, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Nilasuj for watching. No but air.